So hello everyone, this is Raja and welcome to your own channel. Let's grow together. So today we are going to discuss about some important market updates which you should be knowing. So before starting the video, in case you have not opened the Demat account yet, no, so link is there right in the description box. You can click on the link and you can open the account. And in case you are facing any kind of difficulties, do let me know into the comment box. We are going to help you regarding the same. So let's start the video. So here you can see that Sensex Nifty were rising today. So Sensex was rising by 0.43 percentage and Nifty was up by 0.44 percentage. So there was some correction into the Nifty bank and midcap was also up by 0.18 percentage. So in case you don't know about these indices, what actually this indices is, so do let me know into the comment box. I will make a separate video regarding the same. Okay. So let's see how the global market is performing. So you can see that SGF Nifty, that means Singapore Nifty, is up by 0.13 percentage. Nasdaq is also up by 0.43 percentage. Nasdaq means US market. Okay. So let's see how many stocks were rising and how many stocks were falling for the day. So out of 1600 stocks which is listed in Nifty, 988 stocks were rising for the day and 728 stocks were falling. That means more number of shares were rising, and because of that today market was slightly up. So you can see that the top gainer for the day, top earner for the day is Hindalco, Reliance, Sun Pharma and Adani Ports. Okay, and the top loser for the day were Eicher Motors, that means Royal Enfield, NTPC, Titan and L&T, that means Larsen and Tubero. So these were the top loser for the day. Okay, so let's see the commodity market as well. So you can see that crude oil was down by 0.58 percentage. Natural gas was down by 1.18 percentage. Gold and silver has been getting consolidation. So gold was down by 0.39 percentage and silver was up by 0.17 percentage. So in case you want to add up gold, no, so you can add now itself, because the market is going to get some correction in times to come. And when the market is going to be corrected, lot of buying is going to be happen in gold. And in case you want to purchase, you can purchase at this level. Gold is at value price only. But in case you want to add silver, no, so silver is overvalued. Please wait for some more correction. When it will be coming nearly 62,000, 63,000, no, you can buy at that particular time. Okay. So let's see the performance of USD INR. So one US dollar is trading at the value of 72.85 rupees of Indian. Okay. So it was up by 0.02 percentage. Okay, so that means US market is getting some recovery. Okay, so let's see the important market news which you should be knowing. So we have started a Telegram channel where we used to give the market updates for the day, as well as some important new things which you should be knowing by being into the stock market. Okay. So you can see that FII, so foreign institutional investor, that means the big investor outside of our country, has bought the shares valued at 944 crores, and DII has sold the value of 707. That means the big investor inside our country has sold excess. See, they have done some buying and they have done some selling. So the excess selling which has been done is 707 crores. Okay, so you all are aware that India and China are having some issues in the border, and today morning it has been said that some peace is going on the border, and it's a good news for the whole nation by being a human and by being a share market trader as well. Okay, so by going to the stock specific news, no, so Sun Pharma, so the promoter for Sun Pharma has been penalized the value of 60.35 lakhs by the SEBI, and it has been done because some fraudulent activities has been happened. So personally, I don't like Sun Pharma too much. So you can go through that. So personally, in case you want my suggestion, I will not go through Sun Pharma to buy now or before itself, because I was not keen to buy this share. Okay. So the next share which is coming here is Graphite India. So you can see that the net profit of Graphite India has been gone through 23 crores. So last year they were at the loss of 350 crores, and this year it has shown some profit. So it's a good news for Graphite India. So the next news which is coming here is SpiceJet. So SpiceJet has given a loss by the quarter 3 results, but now they have got some good news in her bag. That means 24 new flights has been is going to be issued or is going to be released by 19th of Feb. So when they are going to increase the number of flights, definitely they are going to get more revenue, and when more revenue is going to come, they will be getting some more profit. So profit margin can be increased. Okay. So the next news which is coming through, LinkPen. So I don't know you have been using LinkPen or not, but personally I have used lot of LinkPen. So LinkSmart, that pens were there, no. So that company has posted a loss of, I mean it was a loss, not a profit by mistake. So it has posted a loss of 70% for the day, and you can see that not loss, I'm sorry, it has posted 70% down in the profit, and revenue has been also falling by 25%. So personally it is a kind of shaking one, but because there was no education, so because of that only they have posted low profit. So the next news which is coming here about future retail. So Amazon. So Amazon, who is doing his best to buy the retail, that means Big Bazaar, all stores around the country, because they have went to the China, and they have not got the proper response from them. They have got some punch from China. So the only option which Amazon is having to capture Indian market, and because of that only they are not ready to leave future retail. So now they have been saying that the deal between Reliance and Future Retail is illegal, and they have also told to Supreme Court that it should not be done. So this fight is going between Reliance and Amazon, but the issues which are going to be faced by Future Retail only. So the next news which is coming through, DCGA. DCGA means Director General of, actually I'm not aware about the abbreviation. So it's a kind of authority. So who is informing that the fair price, the domestic price is there, no? So their price should not be increased more than 30% till 31st March. So normally it is not good news for the aviation sector, because now a lot of restrictions has been done in flights, and in case the price is also not getting increased, no, so the revenue will definitely impact. So to save the pockets of the customers or passengers, this decision has been taken by the authority. So the next news which is coming here is about Coal India. So you can see that Coal India net profit has been fallen. Think about that. Government is taking so much necessary steps to improve the profitability of all the POCs, public sector units. But even though the net profit has been reduced for Coal India. So personally, if you are asking my recommendations, I will never buy any PSU stocks, because you cannot find any good growth from there. So they are only choosable stocks where you can invest. So the revenue was also up by 2% for the day. Okay. So in case you like the video, please do like, and you do comment your favorite segments and all. In case you are not any kind of different things which should be added in the video, please do let me know in the comment box. In case you like or don't like, please do let me know about your suggestions and all. Okay. So let's wind up for the day. Goodbye.